Okay, what we have here is a sharpening guide, 20 degrees for slicing. And here's the guide that is attached to the sharpening stone with rubber band and is 3D printed. And with some of the 3D printers, some of the materials anyway, the printer material turns to curl a little, as mine did. The yellow filament that I used didn't curl at all, but this one did. So what you do is just reverse your guy, and you can use a lighter and put it underneath. And then as it warms up, you press on the plastic here until you see no daylight here. So basically you just set your knife down and then you use a guy as your sharpening angle, right? And then you do it on the other side. This is the guide that should give you the 20-degree angle for slicing. And if you want one for general purpose, you can make one for 25-degree sharpening. So there's a roof there, so I can mount the guide to the stone with a rubber band. So that's the idea. Okay, so this is what I did in SketchUp. Basically, I made a square about 50 millimeter by 50 millimeter, and then I used a push-pull tool to raise it to another 50 millimeter, basically making a square block. And then I use the protractor tool to make the 20-degree angle. You can make different ones for different types of sharpening. For general ones, it's like 25 degree to 30 degree. Since I'm making a guide for slicing, I'm making it at 20 degree. So I'm not very good at making this in SketchUp, but maybe I'm doing it the hard way. I'm sure there are easier ways to do this. So I just made an angle of 20 degree here, and then I erase the rest of the cube, leaving just the guy or the wedge for the sharpening block. So I just go around and fill out the lines, and then I will use the eraser to erase the cube, the part of the cube that I don't need, leaving just the wedge. And then that's it. You save it, export it as an STL file, and you have your wedge there. Yeah, I also have to make a groove there so I can hold it down with some rubber bands to the sharpening stone. So that's what I'm doing here now. Okay, so I draw a line halfway down the middle, and then I think I make the groove like 3 to 5 millimeter wide, and then use the push-pull tool to press it down, and that's it. And then I'm adding some 3D text to show that this would be a sharpening guide for 20-degree angle. Okay, that's it. Save it in STL file, and then you can make as many as you want.